Hi guys, this is the features of Netgear Jenny. You can see the home menu interface. You can see the internet, Wi-Fi connection, router settings, network map, parental controls, ready share, AirPrint, My Media, and network support. And you can see the select language. You can choose the language here. Then in the internet you can see the speed test of the internet. In the router you can see the and in network map you can see the PCs that been connected in one modem. And in network support you can see the product registration, pack, tools, and support. If you need help, you can click the network support and you can see some tips that will be helping you in using this Netgear Jenny. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.